Thank you so much. Cheers. Yeah, that will do.
You are expected to wear a face covering at all times while on board and in stations.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm Rue.
And I'm Jude.
And together we're London Munch.
So we've just arrived here in Bath, and we took a National Express bus, literally just behind me from London Victoria. It took about 3 hours to get here. I think it was £48 for the both of us, so £24 return, as we are only staying here for 2 nights, so we'll be returning. Yeah,
so it's £24 return, which is a huge saving on the train, which gets here only slightly sooner than the bus took, which was about 2 hours and 40 minutes, but it would have cost us about another £100 more. So we took the bus. And now, yes, we're really excited to be in Bath because it's our first holiday in ages, and already we've seen, just in the bus, we've seen so many food places that I'm so excited to eat and drink at. So
let's get cracking.
Yeah, let's get cracking. Alright, normally we start our videos off with coffee, but right now we're going to check in to our hotel.
Since 1987, Bath has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site. World Heritage Sites are places of outstanding universal value to the whole of humanity. Amongst other things, Bath is included because of its Roman remains, 18th century architecture, and hot springs.
Here's our hotel at the Z Hotel. Hello. Yes, we have a reservation for... We can't check in until 3 p.m. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna get cracking with our Bath trip, and that begins with coffee. Obviously. So let's go get some coffee.
Let's go get some coffee.
And our coffee shop is right next to this lovely wine bar called Corkage, which we won't be going to. However, it is one for you to note down. But here we are at Colonna and Smalls. Let's go. You wanna sit here? We'll get a flat jack, please. Thank you so much.
And then that is some information about the filter coffee.
Wonderful.
Feel free to...
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alright, so we're in Colonna and Smalls coffee shop. This is an award-winning coffee shop, multi-award winning, including the best coffee shop in Europe in 2016. I've got myself a very fine Colombian coffee which has a little leaflet to go with it to describe how fine it is. And Ju's got herself a Tanzania latte with oat milk and a flapjack. Brilliant coffee. Won't say too much about that. If you're in Bath and looking for a good coffee shop, look no further. This is your place. It costs £10.70 because my extra rare Colombian coffee costs an extra £2 nifty. But yeah, coffee done, now time to get a bite before we eventually check back into our hotel. Let's go.
Let's go. Soaking up that sun. It's a glorious day today.
We lucked out with the weather. It's beautiful right now. This next place we paid for before we arrived. We reserved an order of their speciality, which are Maltese pastéis. I hope I pronounced that right. I probably didn't, but Maltese pastéis, that's what we're about to get.
And they sell out quite quickly, so we actually reserved them about a week and a half ago.
Yeah.
So
booking in advance, reserving in advance is recommended. Yeah, here we are. Here we are at Gourmet Cooking, Bath City and online. Oh, we didn't see the Nutella one before. Alright, let's go.
How are you? Good?
I'm very well, thank you. We've come from London, so we're recording everything. I hope you don't mind.
Okay.
No pressure, of course.
No pressure.
Go by the train or you drive it?
We took the bus here. It was, yeah. Pardon?
It's easier.
Yeah.
Somebody else does it.
Yeah, exactly. And
While you're not driving.
yeah.
That's sweet. And it was 1 apple and cinnamon, wasn't it?
Yes, please. All right, so we've got our order
Goodies.
plus an order of honey. Now we're gonna go to the park to try and eat these.
Hey guys, so we have just got here to the Queen's Square and we've got our gourmet cooking Maltese pasties. We have ordered the curried peas, which is their special, 2 beef, 1 ricotta cheese, and then their dessert version of apple and cinnamon.
Lovely.
But yeah, come eat with us.
All
Oh,
right,
yeah.
let's try them.
We're doing a roulette.
Oh, that crunch.
I got the beef.
Looks good.
The crunch of the pastry and the layers, look,
Yeah, it looks so good.
made with care. Thoroughly folded, I can imagine. There you go.
That looks
Yummy.
good.
So we've gone for our second roulette.
All right, I'm hoping it's a curried peas one because I'm looking forward to that the most. That's their most typical one.
Oh my god, I can hear that crunch. One more bite maybe.
The pastry is wicked. I love it.
Peas. Curried peas? Let's see. Ooh, look at all those textures. How is it?
It's delicious. I love it. The curried peas have got such a nice curried flavour, but the pastry is so flaky, so buttery and crispy. It's delicious. This is so good. All right, hoping this one is the cheese. I think it might well be.
Cheese. We've got the ricotta cheese, guys. How is it? Cheesy?
I need another bite, but I think you're gonna love it. It's really good.
Wow, look, again, look at the layers.
Yeah, the pastry is
Pastry
wicked.
is amazing.
We could have done with another cheese one.
Damn it. Me. Okay, guys, for those that know me, I love cheese. So,
That one's good, right?
I think we should have got you.
Yeah,
Cause I'm not gonna give this back to you anymore.
that's fair. I understand.
Man, baby, if you dance.
Yeah.
It's good.
So we bought 6 for £10.
6 for £10. It's £2 a pop. Otherwise,
Yeah. So it works out well getting 6 for 10. So the last one is the apple and cinnamon. This is our first time trying any food from Malta, so far we've been really impressed. So let's go with this. It's good.
crunchy pastry.
Yeah, the pastry is everything. I haven't got much of a sweet tooth, so it's only so excited I'm gonna be over an apple pie sort of filling. It's not too sweet. It's nice. We're just gonna pop into Tesco's real quick and get some water before we go back to the hotel. And when we do that, we'll show you about the room and we'll take it from there. Alright, here's home for the next 2 nights and 3 days. Hello.
Third floor. Doors opening.
Here we are. Let us show you the room. Can't remember the price, but we'll put it down in the bottom corner. So here's the bathroom, and here's the bed. Very small, but we knew that because we looked on TripAdvisor and whatnot. But yeah, here we are. We're gonna settle down here now, chill until our next outing, which is Thermae SPA, and yeah, we'll bring you with us when we go to Thermae SPA. That's next up.
Oh yeah.
See you then. All right, well rested. The room actually gets smaller the more you unpack. But yeah, we're on our way to Thermae SPA now. It's the main spa in Bath, and we're looking forward to it. Thank you.
I'm like we're on a holiday with our flip-flops.
We are on holiday.
It is a holiday nonetheless, but
Most certainly. Hello. So we've got our robes and flip-flops and towels, and we just, yeah, see ya.
go in.
Sorry, you're not actually allowed to take any footage here, but here we are.
And here we have the terrace. So we just walked through an ice room area, sauna, steam room, which we didn't even realize we had access to, but we do. The rooftop bit is wicked.
So beautiful, and we're gonna make sure that we're back
Yeah.
for the sunset.
As you can see, the sun is setting soon. But yeah, we gotta get down to the other pool area.
Before we made it back up in time for sunset.
Hi guys, so we've just finished at the Thermae Bath SPA here in Bath, and it was amazing. It's definitely something that you should take the time to go
Yeah.
to.
At first I thought like £35 per person is a little bit pricey, but it's fully worth every penny of it because there's so much to offer, and just being at the rooftop in the thermal springs was amazing with the view. So,
And I think if you time it, you get to also see the sunset.
Yeah.
So that's what we did. And it was beautiful, mesmerizing.
awesome experience. You got to do it when you come to Bath. Don't worry about how much it costs, just do it, get it done.
The show.
Next up, dinner. We're really hungry because all of that lounging about in the water builds up an appetite. Just outside the hotel right now. We're not going in just yet, but I just thought it would be a good time to share my first impressions of Bath. And I actually really like it. Let's say I love it. Where we are right now, right next to our hotel, the Z Hotel, it's lively. It's a bustling atmosphere going on. Everyone's out and about having drinks, and it seems like a foodie's paradise. There's loads of places to drink and eat, and it just seems like a wicked couple's getaway. These are my first impressions, and I'm looking forward to everything else that's in store over these next couple days.
Good evening.
Alright, tonight's dinner is at a place called Sotto. It's an Italian place, and we have a reservation for 9:45, but we're going there now for 9 p.m. because they called and said we can, so hopefully we'll get a table now because 9:45 is a little late, but we're hungry and we're excited. So
This was
yes.
also a highly recommended restaurant by quite a few of our friends.
Yeah, it was. Shout out to Kev.
And shout out to Jolie.
Shout out to Jolie. Yeah. Yeah, we'll take you with us. Gotta go downstairs, it's pretty cool. Here we are in Sotto.
Hi.
Hello.
Who's up there?
Are you busy every day?
Every day. Every day is like a sun.
Okay.
But we can't complain, you know. We got just 17 tables, so when you fill up.
I see, yeah.
The job, the work is steady.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good, yeah.
I'm glad we have a table, even if it was at 9:45.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Table's not ready yet, but we're sat down and we've got a bottle of wine to go.
I mean, I don't forget, it's strange.
We started with the complimentary bread and olive oil before our starters of calamari and house cicchetti arrived. This was followed up by our mains of homemade fettuccine with a pepper sauce, olives, capers and a herb ricotta cheese, and courgette and salmon risotto.
So good. Oh, lovely. Thank you. Might as well do this now. Lychee juice, blue cacao, and Sutton. Cheers. Vodka. That's really nice.
Oh, it's the lychee.
Yeah, it's lychee.
So we're back now, and it was a very enjoyable dinner at Sotto.
Yeah, really good. The starters were probably the standout, and then the risotto was delicious. The fettuccine was slightly disappointing.
Yeah.
But it was all good in the end. Bottle of wine was delicious to top it all off. And yeah, a very nice end to our first day in
Here in Bath.
And yeah, we look forward to tomorrow, and we hope you check out the next video tomorrow. But if you've liked this video, please do give it a like, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, and do comment below if there's anything you want to know. Peace out. We'll see you soon.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.